What are we doing today?
We're cooking dinner again, as always. For dinner tonight, we're making steak, and then I'm gonna be making a potato and leek galette and a nice mixed green salad with a mustard vinaigrette, and then for dessert, we're having strawberry shortcake.
Oh my god.
Because for some reason, I just decided to go all out.
Whoever gets to marry you is the luckiest person ever. Like, I feel so lucky just being your friend.
Aww.
And it's not even because the cooking is so good.
But it's pretty good.
The cooking is just the icing on the cake. Do you see this prize? You're a trophy wife.
I did a lot of the hard work earlier. So I made the galette dough, I made the biscuits, I made the dressing, I whipped some cream. So now we kind of just have to throw it all together.
Just let those things be good.
Look at all these fresh veggies.
Yeah, straight from the farmer's market.
Did you film the farmer's market earlier today?
I forgot, because I was on a mission.
Madison!
I know, I'm bad.
Hi, Ruth.
When things are getting tough.
Ruth.
That's my favorite thing about cooking, is that I just am learning constantly. I cook for myself and like it does make me happy because like at the end obviously I have a bomb meal and like it really distracts me from whatever's going on, but like it's not as fun. Like I had so much fun today, like
Preparing, knowing that other people are gonna enjoy
getting
it.
my ingredients and then doing prep. Check it out, we're cooking some leeks. Yeah.
There she goes.
I tried to go to bed. Things play back in my head.
Friends have arrived. Hello.
Just thinking to myself
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
about somebody else. Look with your
Cheers.
at all.
Maddie, you nailed it. So good.
To spend the things you love.
Popping in to give a shout out to today's sponsor, which is Function of Beauty. Function of Beauty makes customized hair care specific to you and your hair needs. You go on their website, you take a quiz, put in what you need for your hair, if your hair is color treated, if it is dry, damaged, oily, if you have dandruff, all of the details, and then they will make a formula specifically for your hair. As you guys know, I recently bleached all of my hair again, so obviously it was kind of dry, so I definitely wanted to focus on adding moisture and shine back into my hair. You also get to pick the color of your shampoo and conditioner and also the scent. They just came out with a mango scent, which is what I went with for my shampoo and conditioner, and oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. It smells like summer, like a smoothie, like you're on a vacation. I can really tell how much softer and just like shinier, less dull and dry my hair has been since I started using the shampoo and conditioner. You can also customize your bottle to say your name or whatever you want it to say. If you guys want to try out Function of Beauty, be sure to click the link in my description and use my code to get 20% off your first set. Thank you again to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. Let's continue. Good morning! It is Sunday. which is also one of my favorite days of the week. And today I just have some errands to run. I am going out of town next week for the first time in like almost 2 years. Haven't traveled in so long, obviously because of COVID, but then even before that, I was working so much and didn't have any time to travel. We're vaxxed and we're going on our first post-COVID trip and I'm so excited. I'm gonna take you guys along, but that will be in the next video, so bear with me. But this week I'm gonna show you like prepping for my trip and running some errands, packing. I'm hungry. I'm like, do I go get a bagel? I don't know. I am clearly very excited for my trip because I don't leave for 1 week and I'm gonna start packing today. I'm also notorious for overpacking, so we're gonna try not to do that. But also, I haven't gone anywhere in 2 years, so I might as well overpack. I got this really cute terry bag from Zara, and in here I put all of my sunscreen and like sun essentials. I'm gonna bring way too many swimsuits, but also I figure I might wanna do like a swimsuit change midday. So extra. I will actually briefly talk to you about some of my favorite swimsuit brands because I am a bit of a curvy girl. I struggle a lot with finding bathing suits that I feel really comfortable and confident in. So I will mention a couple of brands that I really like. First one is Emily Ratajkowski's swimwear brand. It's called Inamorata, I believe. I have quite a few of her swimsuits. I've had this for like 3 years and I wear it all the time. And it's still in like perfect condition. Definitely worth the investment. I have the same one in black. I wear that one like pretty much every single time I go to the beach because it's just like classic. I also really love Monday swimwear. These are great for people who have larger chest, more curves, but they obviously have a huge range of sizes and different styles of bathing suits, so they're really great and super inclusive, which we love. I have a couple from Bamba Swim that I really like. I just got these and I love this little Hawaiian print. I do prefer cheeky bottoms. They just fit better on my body. If I wear a full coverage bottom, my ass eats it regardless. So might as well just let the cheeks out. Another brand that I wear a lot is Frankie's Bikinis. In most bathing suits, I'm a medium. I wear a medium in Frankie's. I wear a medium in Inamorata. I have a medium in the Netta swimsuits. And I think I have a medium in the Bamba Swim. I'll link down below to all of my favorite swimwear brands so you can check them out. So I can't bring 8 shoes, so I need to narrow this down because that's just obnoxious. I'm going for 6 days and no one needs 8 pairs of shoes. Very important, a week's worth of face masks. I'll put these in this little side pocket. I'm packing a tennis look, tennis skirt, sports bra, and then a couple other sports bras, 1 pair of biker shorts, 1 pair of leggings, I think 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of shorts, 1 pair of overalls. Yeah, I think that's good. Not excessive. I got sent the most insane box of cookies. Look at this. Literally comes with a book about each of the cookies. I've already eaten some of the cookies, as you can see, but I still have some. I'm so excited for this one. The classic chocolate chip Oreo milkshake. Insane. I'll link them down below. They do like exclusive drops. It's like one of those things. I am going to dinner and I need to start getting ready. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup. I've been really liking a more no makeup look, or like literally wearing no makeup at all. So when I want to wear makeup but still have like a natural look, this is what I do. Foundation, I've been using the Best Skin Ever from Sephora. This foundation is actually amazing. I'm obsessed with it. I like to start by blending it with a brush, and then I go in with the Beauty Blender and blend it out some more. Every time I break out and I want to cover it, wherever I'm breaking out is like, actually no. I use the ILIA concealer. I have the shade Chicory. I don't know if it's because I just like don't know how to do my makeup properly, but like anytime I have a breakout, the bitch just never stays covered. Everything is blended. Looks good enough for me. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand in fair medium. And I'm going to do this. Okay. Some dots around my big ass forehead. And then we're gonna do some jawline contouring, which I'm clearly not very good at. Honestly, guys, makeup is not my specialty. Like, I don't know how I used to make makeup videos and people actually watch them. Like, I barely know how to do my damn makeup. Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and add some of this over the cream contour. I'm gonna use Peachgasm, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of the powder from the Patrick Ta blush. Just putting some Hoola bronzer in my crease and all over my lid. That just helps like add more color to my face, more depth, without like doing a whole eye look. Okay, that's it for the eyes, other than mascara, which we'll get to. Brow wise, I'm really loving this product from Anastasia. It's called Brow Freeze, and it's like a styling wax. And then I have the little like spatula spoolie combination to apply it. I really like this for when I'm wearing zero makeup at all, but when I'm wearing like foundation and some other stuff, I feel like I need to put something tinted in my brows. So I'm gonna use the Kosas Eyebrow Gel. I already have some of that brow wax in my brows, so that's really gonna like help this, because I put the brow wax on this morning before I like started my day, but no other makeup. And now I'm just adding this. You see, it's just like, it needs to happen. Lip balm. I really don't like mascara. It's my least favorite makeup product. Can anybody relate? I just like, I hate putting it on. I hate taking it off. I hate when it gets on my eyelids. Light layer of ILIA mascara. And that is pretty much all I do when I wear any makeup at all, really. Sometimes I'll do more makeup or like more eyeshadow or like eyeliner or something if I'm like really feeling a vibe. Let me go and get my lip products. Start with chapstick, and then I put on the Pillow Talk lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. The best lip liner that has ever been created. Then I'm using this new product that I got. It's from Treats Beauty. This is their Lip Treat Lip Plumper. They just came out with this lip plumper and it is gorgeous. That is the final look. Very natural and simple. Okay, I'm running late, but here's the look. Full Reformation fit. I'm just wearing sneakers and I'm bringing this sweater that is from And Other Stories. It's just like a tan sweater. And I put my hair in a bun. So somehow I was put on the Glossier PR list, and look what just showed up at my door. Their packaging and like branding is so stinking cute. Is that satisfying? Oh my god, thank you, Glossier. I don't think you'll ever see this video, but I appreciate you so much for the beautiful package. I am currently washing dishes in the dishwasher and cleaning the kitchen. The kitchen is clean. The floors have been vacuumed and mopped, and now I just have to do the same to the rest of the apartment. But first, I'm gonna eat dinner. Hi.
Gabby's helping me shoot something for a brand, and the lighting in my apartment is honestly very bad, so I'm shooting in Gabby's place because she's the best.
You brought me flowers. So
I did.
I have kind of been a couch potato since I got home from Gabby's. I sent in the content that we shot, so I did get some work done, but I started my period today, and honestly, I feel like garbage. Now Anna is about to come over and do my nails for my trip. And just in general, like it was time for me to get my nails done. So I have no idea what I'm doing yet. Classic, I never know until I like am about to do it. So stay tuned. Outfit, and I dropped my camera, and now my lens is fucked up and won't go back into the camera and won't focus. So after tennis, I have to take my camera to get fixed.
I wanna try and get it right. No, I should take advice. Need words made for the unwise. I wanna try and let it go, but I'm feeling emotional. Turn out what I need the most. She's still.
I don't know.
Look at your racket. I can't believe you got that on camera. That's awesome.
No way!
I've seen that probably like 20 times in the past 25 years I've been teaching. That's awesome.
We are back in action. Oh my God. I really thought that I was gonna either have to A, send my camera in and it was gonna be so expensive to fix and probably not done by the time that I leave for vacation, or number two, just have to buy an all new camera altogether and drop like $800–900, which I didn't really budget for this month. The sweetest man at Sammy's Camera on Fairfax. Guys, seriously, if you are in LA and you need camera help, go see Roland. He just like popped my lens back into place and I literally almost screamed from joy because of that. And I just like, oh, what a sweet man. Like this morning when I dropped my camera, it literally ruined my morning and I was so mad and I didn't feel good, and I went to tennis and like I felt better after tennis. I actually filmed some clips for you guys so you'll see me in my lesson. I felt a lot better because I like feel like I got some of my like annoyance and anger and stress out, and like just moving it always makes you feel better. I never want to do it when I'm in a bad mood or don't feel good, but it always makes me feel better. So if you're sad, angry, upset, stressed, whatever it is, maybe just go for a walk or like do any sort of movement that you can, even if it's just stretching or a walk or whatever. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then I zoomed to Sammy's camera after to hopefully figure my camera situation out, and Roland just fixed it for me, and he even gave me a little strap so I don't drop it again. Today is so much better.